Good morning, everybody. My name is Zack Stenstrom, and welcome to the vlog. Today is day one of the vlog, man. I figured, might as well just do it. It's gonna be a long day. Headed out first to get my truck aligned, man. It's been a long month with my truck being down, replacing the ball joints, upper, lowers, control arms, hub assemblies. After my tie rod broke, had to order that from FTS. But anyways, we're headed out to my buddy's shop out in Denton area. Gonna go get that taken care of. Driving it yesterday, weird noise in the rear end. I'm hoping it's a leaf spring bushing. Better yet, I'll show you guys. So I'm hoping my rear end isn't out. And I'm hoping it's just this bushing back here. Don't know how well that sounds going through, and I don't have a pry bar to actually mess with it. Okay, so we're about to head out to Denton. Gonna go get the alignment done finally. Get that rear end checked out, which hopefully it's a small problem. So tired of spending money on maintenance right now. But I will update you guys as soon as we're there. Like we're almost here. I'm gonna say it's where these wheels are. Oh, they're actually busy. Now to find my buddy is gonna be the task. Oh, well, his Tahoe's here, so that's a good sign. This thing's cool. Marine speakers. Full Kevlar coating. I approve. Well, there's my buddy's Tahoe. So, see if I can find him. That VIP service. Pull it around to the back myself. Oh wow, that's a chrome vet. That's different. Looks like a pain in the ass to wrap. I'm gonna check that out here in a second. Alright. This stands out. So, quick thing most people don't know when they're looking at wraps. Well, one, you can see all the stress marks from there, lifting. You can see where they pieced it together because this chrome doesn't conform around that too well. It's actually a pretty good wrap though. Lifting in the handle. Lifting. Multiple pieces on the bumper. It looks like a pain to do. I'm actually curious. I kind of want to try out a chrome wrap now. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know. Chrome Corvette? Yes or no? So I hop in the truck and my girlfriend's reading this book on self-care. Oh, she cares about herself. I should probably read this book. So what's the gist of it? What's it about?
I don't know yet.
You don't know?
I literally just started the introduction.
Know thyself and love thyself.
It's a lifelong
stress less. I felt like I had dyslexia reading that. It should be less stress. Stress less? Whatever. I honestly, there's over 200 pages. There's no way I could ever read this book. I don't have the attention span. Maybe it's on audiobook. I'll look on Audible and see. Yeah, that's too much. They don't even have pictures.
No pictures.
No.
It's pretty colors.
I need a picture book. I can't do that.
Pop-up book.
That's why I watch YouTube. It's like a picture book that plays it for you. Wonderful.
Yeah.
I don't have the attention span to read.
Yeah.
Do you like reading?
Yeah. I mean, I just don't ever have time to read. I'm trying to find time.
The remedy for healing mind, body, and soul. Nice.
Yeah, we'll see.
So this first vlog should be interesting. Little update now that we're at the shop. Truck is back there. I don't know if you can see it. Now we're just waiting in line. They're a little busy today. Sorry about the wind noise. Waiting on this Dodge behind me to get done so we can get it up on the rack, get the alignment done, get everything right where it needs to be so I can start dailying this thing again. Oh man, that'll be a relief. Walking back over to the truck. Alright guys, so I'm recording on the back camera of my iPhone 7 Plus, so I can't really see what I'm recording all this time. All of this is going to take some getting used to. I'm going to buy a gimbal soon. Hopefully that will at least eliminate the handheld thing. I can get some of the shakiness off. I can also then know that it's stabilized perfectly straight, horizontal, or I'm not like tilting the camera around and doing all this jazz. So bear with me, the vlogging is going to be a new experience for me, but I enjoy it. I do a lot of stuff all the time, all weekends, trying to work on vehicles, traveling, doing business, hanging out with friends, going to car shows, all of that. And I would like to document that, share that with my friends and family and random people on YouTube. Maybe get to know some of you guys, comment below, meet you at other events, do things of that sort. So it's gonna be a learning experience, guys. Very well looking forward to it. I think this vlogging is gonna be fun. It's gonna take up some time. The editing is gonna be a learning experience. Maybe I'll upgrade to a point and shoot later on down the road once I get the hang of this, once I start getting some traction. But let me know what you wanna see down below. Let me know what I should do, what you think would be better. Again, I'm doing this to document, but I want it to also be entertaining to everyone as well. That's the main goal. I don't want people just to get on here and watch and be bored. And I just stepped on an ant pile. That could have been terrible. Now I'm paranoid. I'll figure out where I'm walking. All right, sorry, back to subject, guys. Anyways, I'll get you updated, get the truck on the rack in 3, 2, 1.
Finally about to get this thing ready to ride. All the new ball joints in, new control on.
Any flavor?
Buddy Logan taking care of me. Not bad for a driveway install. Passenger side's a little bad. Driver side's good. So the upper mounts control the caster? Camber?
The upper mounts control camber and caster. So the rear one, you adjust the rear,
Okay.
it adjusts the stack of the two. So it'll bring these two in. It'll kind of move it like this,
Okay.
the camber and the caster. And then the front one will drag them together where it needs to go. So I'm gonna put the front in now.
Now we're gonna mess with the front, alright.
This bolt's actually backwards.
Yeah, I think I put the coil on backwards, so it
Oh,
made
yeah,
putting
then you
that
couldn't get it in.
bolt on, yeah, it was a pain.
Probably adjust the back a little bit more too.
You get it set and then just tighten it to spec.
It's a little off. I'm gonna adjust this toe in. It should bring that in a little bit, and then I gotta redo the caster sweep. Wing toe.
So setting the toe.
Alright, we're gonna do another sweep.
absolute pain. Done this a time or two, huh?
Finger in the door.
Have you slammed your finger in the door?
Oh yeah, recently too. I watched it happen.
Yeah? Did you open the door for him?
Oh no, I couldn't reach it. It was up there. I'm
No,
short.
dude. I've done that. It hurts. It's terrible.
He caught the bottom of the door and had to jump to get the handle.
Oh no. Dude.
All I could do was laugh and say it sucks
It's
to
it.
you.
It's one of those times where you laugh, but you're like, you actually feel bad for the person.
It was terrible.
It is, dude. I've done it. I mean, not on a lift, but. So we got a before and after. So no more tire wear. Straight steering wheel. Be good to go. So these two fans, absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. I am not ready for Texas summer. Not looking forward to it this year.
All right, so Logan just took it for a test drive. After the alignment, we're gonna see what he thinks about it. I don't know how often you get to actually look at your vehicle drive off, but I don't get to very often. And man, my truck looks good driving away. Don't ever get that perspective of your vehicles.
So like I was just saying about watching your vehicle drive off.
Sorry.
You're
Ruined
fine.
your video.
Just don't get this view very often.
All right, so truck's good to go. Buddy Logan took care of me. Trailer was moving and kind of freaked me out. So now we're about to get out of here. I need to charge my phone. Didn't charge it last night. Wasn't ready for the battery loss of vlogging. So we'll see how this goes. All right, just got back to the apartment. Truck drives amazing. God, I can't tell you how good it is to have brand new front end. Everything's tightened up, wheels straight, rides smooth, rear end's all tightened up, no major issues. Everything was minor. Some things just needed a little tightening, torque down. That is a weight off my shoulder. I didn't want to spend any more money on the truck doing maintenance. I need to work on my B-roll. I need to work on some filler footage in between all the commentary. So that's going to be a learning experience. That's going to be something I'm going to have to figure out with you guys with the vlog to get it more entertaining, to have more of a cinematic B-roll in between all the commentary and everything. So I'm going to work on that. We'll figure it out. We'll get it all worked out together. This is just the first episode, guys. First vlog, period. So hang tight, stay tuned. I'll keep trying to bring you content, and we'll go from there. This might be the end. If it is, we'll see you guys on the next show.